8 natural food components that can help cure type 1 diabetes. Diabetes mellitus is a disease characterized by high level of sugar in the blood. This high blood sugar level affects patients for a long period. Diabetes mellitus type 1 or type 1 diabetes is the inability of the beta cells in the pancreas to produce enough insulin. Insulin is a hormone, which tells the body how to use the glucose in the blood. Damaged beta cells may cause insufficient insulin production. This is mainly due to bacterial or viral infections, unhealthy lifestyle or exposure to harmful chemicals. Common symptoms of type 1 diabetes are nausea, fatigue and vision blurring. Researches and studies throughout the years on the possible cure of diabetes have been conducted. Some claim that a number of ingredients found in the foods that we consume every day can help regenerate damaged beta cells in the pancreas, thus, they could also be cures to type 1 diabetes. Arginine, or L-arginine, is a conditionally essential amino acid found in dairy products, beef, pork, poultry, seafood and other plant sources, such as oatmeal, nuts, flour, etc. A study claims that this conditionally essential amino acid can trigger the regeneration of beta cells in an animal model. This animal model was given an alloxin-induced diabetes. Alloxin is an organic compound, which can induce considerable damage to the beta cells in the pancreas. Avocado, or the alligator pear, is basically described as a large berry with a single seed inside. Avocado is believed to have originated at Mexico. Avocados are high in monounsaturated fat. They are the main ingredients in some famous Mexican dip guacamole. A study claims that avocado seed extract can significantly lower sugar levels in diabetic rats. Berberine is a quaternary ammonium salt found in plants such as barberry, tree turmeric, Oregon grape, golden seal, yellow root, etc. Due to its strong yellow pigment with a color index of 75,160, many use it in wool, leather and wood dyeing. Berberine has been used in China to treat diabetes. A study shows that herbs, such as barberry and golden seal, which contains berberine, can stimulate beta cells regeneration in diabetic rodents. Chard is a kind of green leafy vegetable, which is also known as spinach, beet and mangold. Fresh young chards are used to make salads while stalks and matured leaves are cooked. Last 2000, a study was made wherein chard extract is given to a diabetic rat. Beta cells regeneration was then observed in the subject. Corn silk is the term used for the shiny, hair-like threads that grow as part of the cornea. It is usually used as a diuretic. It is an alternative herbal medication to bladder infections, UT, kidney stones, etc. In 2009, a study was conducted and shows that corn silk reduces blood sugar in mice with type 1 diabetes. Curcumin is a chemical found in turmeric powder. Turmeric is a member of the ginger family, commonly used as herbal supplement and as food coloring and flavoring. In 2010, a study found out that curcumin can stimulate beta cells regeneration. Honey is a sweet food made by honeybees foraging nectar from flowers. Honey is used in cooking and baking. It's also an ingredient in desserts and an additive to beverages such as teas and juices. A study conducted in 2010 found out that those who consume honey for a long period are less likely to develop type 1 diabetes. Nigella sativa, or the black cumin. This type of flowering plant is found in South and Southwest Asia. Black cumin is commonly used in India as spice. It tastes like onion, black pepper and oregano. A study conducted in 2003 found out that diabetic animals that consumed black cumin had a significant regeneration of beta cells. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share.